Hello again. This is Somali from Team Get You At. Today I am going to show you how to make an Instagram business account. First, let's sign up. First, there will be two ways of signing up. I am going with email address. The basic of Instagram personal account and business account is same. Create username and password for your page. Then set your birth date. There will be an option called Connect to Facebook. You can skip this for now. Add a profile picture. Try to use your company logo. Instagram will suggest you some pages to follow. Your Instagram page is now created. To turn this personal account to business, click on the hamburger icon on top right. Click on the settings button. Now go to the account menu and select switch to professional account. There are two options, creator or business. As I am creating a page for salon, I will go for business page. The creator option is suitable for influencers, celebrities kind of people. Then select one category that describes your business. After this, fill up the forms with necessary information about your business. Your Instagram business account is created now. Instagram gives you a huge platform for your business. It helps you discover a great number of customers for your business. It helps you to know the current trends, build relations and so on. A study has shown that over 1/3 Instagram users have used this app to purchase online. So you can understand how important it is to have a functioning Instagram business account. Contact us for more help setting up your account. If you like the video, please subscribe to our page. Thank you for watching.